Good morning, KJ2 students. How are you today? I hope you are just all good and happy and always healthy and fit. Another morning has come again, and for sure, another blessing will gonna arrive. And again, here is Miss Divina, your speaker for today. Before we start, let us assure that we are all prepared. First, we need to consider that we need to prepare your pencil and a paper. Second, stay in a quiet place for conducive learning. Third, listen attentively. Fourth, listen to your mom as she guides you. Fifth, ask a question if you are in doubt. And lastly, don't forget to enjoy the activities. As we continue, we need to observe the following objectives. At the end of the discussion, students are able to 1. To identify push and pull force. Second, to learn that a force makes an object move or change direction by pushing or pulling something. And now we're going to listen to a song and figure out later what is
Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. So when you push with force, things move away. They'll move back to you when you pull. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. A force can change an object's motion. A stronger force makes bigger change. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. So when you push with force, things move away. They'll move back to you when you pull. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. A force can change an object's motion. A stronger force makes bigger change. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak.
all right. So that's the song. Did you like it? So think about it. What do you think is the connection into our lesson? Do you think there is a connection? Okay, so we will gonna find out what would be our lesson for today. All right, my dear students, in order to reveal our lesson for today, we're going to crack the code, okay? Would you gonna help me? There is a guide below. In each number, it represents a letter. So I have here the puzzle above. So we need to crack the code in order to reveal what does these numbers it means. So if we gonna form this, it will come up into a word. So what do you think is these words for? And what do you think are these words? Okay, are you ready to help me? Okay, so the first table, what are the numbers in here? We have 5, 4, 2, and 9. So what letter stands for number 5? It is letter E. And what letter stands for number 4? It is U. And what letter stands for number 2? It is letter S. And what letter stands for number 9? It is letter H. And now let's proceed to the next table, which numbers 1, 8, and 3. So what letter stands for number 1? It is A. And number 8 stands for N. And number 3 is letter G. All right, we're getting there. So next table, which is the numbers. What are the numbers? We have 5, 4, 7, and 7. So what letter stands for number 5? It is letter B. And number 4 is U. And number 7 is L. And another 7 is L. So what did we come up into? Can we read it? Push and pull. Very good. So this time we're going to talk about the two forces mainly focused on push and pull. Okay, thank you for helping me. By the way, what is push and pull? Actually, these are forces that create movement. Actually, we have been using this in our day-to-day life. We are not just aware of it, but we have been doing this every day. So let us familiarize what push means. Push means is to move things away from you. So what are the things that we push? Can you think of something that we push? All right. So we push open a door. Look at the picture. Oh, it's locked. So we push a door to open. Okay. Oh, what is this picture? We push each other off the swing. So that is fun. And the third, what is that picture means? We push a toy car. Boom. Yeah, when we are playing with a toy car, we are going to push them, right? And what else we have here? We push a nail with the hammer. And the next picture, we push down on the bike pedals to ride our bike. And lastly, we push a soccer ball by kicking. So these are only some of the examples. There are lots more. Now let's move on to pull. What pull means? Pull is to move things towards you. So you need to move the things near to you. So what are things we pull? Do you have any idea? I have here some examples. A horse pulls a cart along. We pull on a rope in a game of tug of war. And we pull open a door. Oh my gosh, this door is heavy. And more examples. A cheeky dog pulls on his lead. Hey doggy, slow down. And lastly, this is a great book. It says here, we pull open a book to read. So these are only some of the examples of pulling. Okay? So, push and pull. We use forces every day to move things and to move ourselves. Yes, we have been using this in our day to day life, as I told you earlier. So, push and pull is very important for us to move and to do something in order for us to create something or to help us in our day to day life. So, let's pause and think. Close our eyes. So, I have here a question. Imagine, okay, what else can you think of that you either push or pull? Do you have any more idea that we can push or pull? Okay, this time you're going to bring your paper and then think more of something that you either push or pull, then you're going to draw at least one and then show it to me. Okay? Show it to me and then take a photo later and then send it to me in a class dojo. Would you? Now let's do the activity. So I have here the direction. Student will walk around the house. They will then draw pictures of the things around the house that use force, push or pull to make them move. They will then circle the correct force in the box. So there is a worksheet here beside of it. So you're going to fill in the worksheet, okay? For example, I have here example. If I were walking down the hall and needed to go into the restroom, I would need to push the door open to go in. So I could draw a picture of the bathroom door and I would circle the word push on my form. The students are asked to do this for at least 5 different things around the house. So you need to download the worksheet to complete the activity. So good luck. I know you can do it. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something about the push and pull, and I hope to see you for the next session. Thank you and goodbye.